For this question, we need to find the angle between the vectors a and b as given, and we will use the formula cos theta equals a dot b over the magnitude of a and b. To find, we multiply x, y, and z for both the vectors and add them together, which is equal to minus 18, and then we put it in the formula. We then find the magnitude of both a and b by squaring x, y, and z and square rooting it. Once we have all these values, we put it in the formula minus 18 over 9 root 10, and then we do a cos inverse to get the angle of 129.2 degrees. In this question, the vector PR is divided into 1 to 3 ratio from the point Q, and we have to find Q's coordinates. First we find PR, which is R minus P. Then we know that PQ is 1/4 of the total of PR. Therefore, we multiply the coordinates of PR to find PQ. We know that PQ is Q minus P. We know what PQ is and we know what P is. Therefore, we rearrange it and find Q, which is 2, 2 minus 1, or written as 2i plus 2j minus k. Vector movement question. AI plus bj is a vector of magnitude of 4 units in direction of minus 3i plus 6j, and we need to calculate a and b. We know that ai plus bj and minus 3i plus 6j are parallel. To help answer this question, I make a triangle and use Pythagoras theorem to come up with the equation that a squared plus b squared is equal to 16. I draw another triangle replacing a and b with minus 3 and 6, and the angle can be found using tan, which is equal to 6 divided by minus 3, which is minus 2. Using tan inverse, I find the angle is minus 63.43 degrees, and as they're both parallel, the angle would be the same. To find the angle, we did 6 divided by minus 3, or b over a, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 is equal to b over a. To make an equation, we do minus 2a is equal to b. As used before, we use Pythagoras. Substituting b with minus 2a squared, we get 5a squared is equal to 16. Using that, we find a, which is minus 1.8. As they're both parallel, it was 1.8, but we add a negative, as the first question given was minus 3i plus 6j. Therefore, we add a minus sign with a. Once we know what a is, we can easily substitute that and find b, which is equal to 3.6. The answer can be written as minus 1.8i plus 3.6j.